Hello and welcome to Honeybees and Orchids. How to know if a hive is queenless or queenright without opening the hive. First thing to check is at the entrance. Is there pollen coming in? There was pollen coming in. And there again. There are a good amount of pollen coming in. Check with your other hives if it's about the same. That is a good sign. There at least is a queen or brood present. Other way to check is to lay your ear at the side of the hive and just knock on them. If they I've made footage that I recorded. I will let you hear. But if you knock, you should get a reaction, and then they go back to their normal humming sound. So you knock, maybe you can hear it now too. It spikes the sound and then it cobbles on. Now we go to a suspected queenless hive. This is a hive I suspect of being queenless. I opened up the hive to check and I have 100% certainty it is queenless. As you can see, it's a small hive, not a huge amount of bees, just a couple of frames. I'm checking to see if I can find eggs. If there are eggs, then the queen was present 3 days ago. And then I'm checking for the queen. Next frame, you can see they're a bit more flyy than normal. They are fanning frantically to spread the scent of the colony, and they're just not happy, and there is no queen or any sign of brood present. So this hive is really queenless, unfortunately. But I've put them in a smaller hive, a 6-frame hive, that better suits the colony size. I'm going to unite it with a Queenright little colony by letting them read the papers. It's a newspaper, with the old style newspaper with a lot of pressing ink on it. I'll make a couple of holes and the bees will eat through that, and by eating or tearing apart the paper, both the scents of both colonies unites and becomes one scent. This is the little mating new colony. That's an old bee there. Up off with it. An old dead bee, I should say. I'm going to unite this little colony from Monday's video, if I'm correct, which is Queenright, and I'm just gonna put it on top of there. The bees from below and the bees from up there will a little bit smoke to entice them to get back into the frames, and they will eat through the paper, and that way the two little hives are united and they should be Queenright and happy again. Do not check too soon. Check after 9 or 10 days, when they surely freed the queen and the queen had a chance to lay eggs. So that's done. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you soon in another Honeybees and Orchids video. Houdoe!